Is visual, ma'am?
Yes, it's visible.
This is code, ma'am. Welcome page, please.
So it's just run the codes. No need to show the codes and all. Then just execute the codes.
This is web page, ma'am. Main web page. Visible, ma'am.
Yes, it's visible.
When we log in, it's we log in as a user profile. This user panel. Here user can add here this information. After the submit button, we go to view the admin panel. Admin can view the user information here. And then we go back to user panel. Here user can book the bus here. Can submit, and here he can view the booking. And admin can edit the booking here. Who can search. He can edit the user name and password. Edit data updated successfully, and he can view. And admin can add the routes here.
1 second, Shreyas. Shreyas.
Yes, ma'am.
So actually you should not ask the end user to enter the user ID, because that is generated by internal, right? That is generated table.
Yes,
So user may not know about user ID, right? And you should not give the accessibility to the admin to change the records of the end user or that customers, because the only customers need to change the details related to him, right? So admin may not know about that. So that accessibility you have to provide for the customer, not for that. Admin can change the bus details
Yes, ma'am.
and routes.
Yes, here.
Can't change the detail of just make that small change.
Okay, ma'am. That's it, ma'am.
Please continue.
Here, admin can add the routes here. And user can view the destination. That's it. You can change after session.
Okay, sure, Shreyas. Good implementation. Srivatsa and team, you guys can start.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. So, yes, our team will be presenting. The presentation order will be in this manner. Firstly, Vignesh will cover the documentation part. Then myself will cover the mind map and schema diagrams. Then Samrudh will cover architecture diagram and flow diagram. And at the end, Sahan will present the demo of our project. I hand over the presentation to Vignesh.
I am audible, ma'am.
Yes, Vignesh, you are audible.
Bike rental system introduction. Transport facility is matter of healthcare for those people who do not have any personal transport. On occasional like wedding, vacation, house shifting, and tower, and on many other situations, they feel the necessity of a bike to sort out the problem. So, if it is possible to design or develop a web-based application for availing transport whenever possible, then it will be beneficial for both renter and transport provider. Nowadays, by some clicks only, we can get whatever you want at home. We already know about online shopping, e-banking, etc. Similarly, the bike rental system is the online facility to book bike or scooter online within few clicks only. Some people cannot afford to have a bike. For those people, this system becomes very helpful. This system includes various bike or scooter as per the customer order and comfort. It places the order and delivery the bike as per the location within the area. Booking can be done by internet service only. Technologies used: front-end development, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, React.js. Backend development, JSP, Java, MySQL, Node.js. Bike ride caters to main user categories. Admin manages bike inventory, approves rental request, and performs CRUD operations on bike details. Customer register searches for available bikes based on location and dates, rents bikes, and view booking details. Use case scenario: a user in a city wants to rent a bike for a short commute to work. They don't own a bike and prefer a convenient option compared to public transportation. Steps: the user opens the app and creates an account or logins in if they already have one. Second step, they use the app to search for available bikes near their current location and filter by the preferred type. Third option, the user selects a nearby bike and books it for their desired rental duration. Fourth, the app provides instruction on how to unlock the bike using their smartphone. Fifth, the user unlocks the bike, rides to their destination, and locks the bike upon completion of their trip. Sixth, the app automatically ends the rental and charges the user's payment method based on the chosen duration and applicable rates. Success criteria: the user successfully rents a bike, completes their journey, and returns the bike without any issues. The rental process is quick, convenient, and user-friendly through the mobile app. Functional requirements: user rider section, registration. User creates accounts by providing essential information: name, email, phone number. Secure password creation with minimum character length and complexity requirement. Account confirmation through email verification. Bike search. Search for available bikes based on location, date and time. Filter results by like type, example mountain, road, e-bike. Future, gauge, bar gauge, and availability at docking stations. Display search results with detailed information like bike type, picture, location, including docking station details and price. Booking. Reserve a chosen bike at a specific docking station if applicable for a specific duration. System generates a unique booking ID upon successful booking. Option to modify or cancel a booking before a designated time frame. Unlocking and locking. Utilize the mobile app, example QR code NFC, to unlock and lock rented bikes at designated docking stations if applicable, or designated parking areas if not. Display basic bike information and features within the app. My booking. View a list of current and past bookings including bike details, rental dates and times, docking station details if applicable, booking status, pending, ongoing, completed, cancelled, total rental cost. Payment, similar to previous with the integration with secure payment gateways. Reporting issues. Report any bike malfunctions or concerns through the app, including the option to upload photos or videos for better assistance. Admin section, similar to previous with sites modifications. Login. Admin login using username and password. Bike management. Add new bikes to the system, including details like type, features, docking station, location, if applicable, pricing and images. Edit existing bike information, example update location, add or remove images. Track bike, availability and location, real time tracking optional, based on docking station, if applicable, or GPS location, if not. Mark bikes unavailable for maintenance or repair. Rental management, view list of pending customer rental request approve or reject individual rental request, view details of approved rentals, view payment history. Fourth one, non-functional requirement. Security, secure user authentication and authorization, regular security checks and vulnerability. Assessment, performance, responsive system, handling user request efficiently, quick display of search results, scalability, accommodate future growth in user base and data value, usability, use-friendly interface with clear navigation and intuition functionalities, responsive design for optional viewing across different devices, additional considerations, customer service, allow customers to report issues or provide feedback regarding service. Thank you.
Thank you, Vignesh, for your short introduction about our bike rental system. Now I'll be explaining the mind map. So we have a very interesting mind map here. So we have divided our bike rental system into 3 different sections. As you can see, first of all we have the customer section, then we have admin section, and then we have the general section. In the customer section, we can see 4 options there. First of all, the most basic part, the customer must register himself, then he must log in, and then another basic function, we need to search the bikes, so we have bike search here, and further in bike search we have 3 more options. There we have filter by features, location and date. Then we have bike booking. So here he can book the bikes in the sense he can select the bike which he likes and confirm the booking and make the payment. The next option we have is the history in the sense he can check previously which bikes he have booked in that manner. And the next section is the admin section, where we have 3 options here: user management, bike management and booking management. In the bike management we have CRUD operations: add bike, delete bike, edit bike and bike category. In booking management you'll be seeing view bookings, accept/reject booking, generate booking report. In the general section we'll be having response design, support section, feedback and recharge wallet. As Vignesh told in the previous section, the customer feedback is also very important, so we have kept that in the general section. The next we have use case diagram. So this is one of the very important part. So we have 2 persons, as we can see, user and administrator. User can create account, search bikes, book bikes, view bookings and perform payments. Whereas administrator can manage users, manage bikes, manage bookings, generate reports, verify or deny requests. That's all. I'll hand over the the schema diagram will also be presented by me. In the schema diagram we can see admin section. There we have 2 primary keys, user ID and bike ID. Then we have the user. There we have the user, in the admin section user ID is 43 from user. In admin we have admin ID as the primary key. In user we have user ID as the primary key. In bikes we have bike ID as the primary key. In booking we have booking ID as the primary key. In payment we have payment ID as the primary key. And all the other parts where we can see those IDs are the foreign keys that are taken from those respective sections. Thank you. Samrut, please carry on.
I'm audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes, ma'am. So, architectural diagram. What is architectural diagram? Basically, architectural diagram shows you the interaction between the software components. So here you can see there is a client side. in client side there are the list of browsers. On the application side we can see the front end, back end, and the data layer. So first client will access our application using the browsers. There are Chrome, Firefox, and some other browsers. So he will give the HTTP request to the front end and get the response to the back end. The front end will have the images, text, and all, and the back end where the user gets the response. In the data layer, where the user's details will be stored, or the application details will be stored, which will directly interact with the database and other third-party services like AWS or any other. So next, there is a flow diagram. So flow diagram is a visual representation of a software application structure. So you can see there are two actors, mainly users and admin. Starting by the admin. First, admin will register and then he will log in. The admin is the person who wants to rent his bike. Okay. He will add his bike. He will manage by the sense like he will add the branding. He will have the bike name by the CC and the price and the rating, etc. Who wants bike for a rent? Who's looking a bike for rent? He will book the bike. The admin will manage like pending. He will manage the booking like not available or like something. Manage review. After the ride, user will have the review of the bike, so he can manage to make a scope. Manage queries. User will have the queries to the admin, like if there is any fault in the bike or while riding when the bike fails, he can directly contact the admin through the manage query. Coming to the user side, first user will register and log in. He will search for the bike by the specification he wants. Like if he wants a big CC bike, a small CC or scooty, he will search for it. He will view the bike. If he wants to ride, like he wants to rent it bike, he will book that. There are two payment options through the payment mode. He can make it online or by the cash. By going to the location of the bike, he can make it a cash payment. If the booking is done, he can log out and there's the stop.
So ma'am, can I do the presentation of project?
Yes, you can.
I have created two dynamic projects, ma'am. One is for admin and one is for the user. So this is our admin section. This is our user section, ma'am. This is the homepage, and we have provided the name as find. It contains elements such as home. It refreshes the homepage, and a contact button. First user needs to sign into the account to get touch in with the company. And here we have a login option. Here we have a book now button in which we can find the bikes that are available in our system. We can also filter the bike by their location. If you want Mysore, we can select Mysore, and available bikes in Mysore will be displayed. We can also filter the bikes by their category, such as bike. I have provided two categories, bike and scooter. If user wants to filter it by bike, he can filter, and can also filter by color. And also for the bike condition, there are two conditions, new and second hand. page, we just need to log into our account. This is our login page. First, we need to create the account. If both the passwords do not match, it will show an error. And mobile number should be of 10 digits. So now he can log in from the page. If user has forgot the password, we can reset the password from here. The system will generate an OTP and OTP will be sent to the user's email. I have received the OTP. From here we can reset the password. So this is our main home page. After user login, from here you can log out. This is the user profile name. The profile name will be automatically fetched from the database and it will be displayed here. From here he can update the profile, such as name. And then data will be updated in the database and it will be displayed here. From here you can update the password as it was earlier. And here you can see the rides that are here booked. So this is the main booking page. This is the page where he can select the pickup date and time. And the price per hour is 45 rupees. The total amount will be calculated according to the date and time. This is the confirmation page where all the booking details are displayed, such as pickup date, time, drop-off date and time, and total price. And by clicking confirm booking, he can confirm the booking. After the booking is successful, user will receive an email. And he will be assigned an booking ID from which he can track his booking. From My Rides, he can access the booking details. He can search by ID. We can also cancel the booking. After the cancellation is successful, user will receive an email. It's the same booking ID.
So that's about our user page, ma'am. And now I will demonstrate the admin section. So this is our admin section. From here we can create the account as it was before. I have already created the account, so I will go further with login. Here are three sections, ma'am: manage booking, manage rides, and manage queries. And one more feature I missed to explain was contact. From here, user can contact to the admin. User will also receive an email after the query is received to the admin. So this is our database. In this, all the user information are stored, login information are stored. In this table, all the bikes information are stored. And in this table, all the bookings information are stored with the drop-off time, pickup time, total price, and status. So this is our admin page. It contains three sections to manage bikes, rides, and queries. In manage bike, we have 4 options to add bike, view, edit, and delete the bike. In add bike, we can add the bikes. Rights. First we have to provide the name, then we can select the city. I have provided 3 cities: Bangalore, Udupi, and Mysore. According to the city, the location will be automatically fetched from the database. And we can also select the category as bike and scooter. We have to mention the condition, then number, and price per hour, color, and here we have to add the image, the bike image. Bike images are stored in the this folder, ma'am, named bikes. We just have to paste the URL. And we can also select the status, whether it is available or unavailable. If the bike is available, then only it will be displayed on the booking page. In view bikes, we can view the bikes that are available in the booking section. We can also search it by ID. In edit bike, we can edit the bike's detail. And from here we can delete the bikes. So this is the ride section where the admin can manage the rides. Here you can see the ride request that he has received. Here we have 2 options: accept and reject. The admin can accept the ride or he can reject the request. If he accepts the ride, the information will be hidden from this and it will be shown on manage rides. Here he can manage the status of ride, whether the user has picked up the bike or he has dropped or rejected, or from here also admin can reject. And according to the status updated, the status will be updated here. and here you can view the completed writes. So this section is to manage the queries. In pending queries, we can view the queries that are still pending to be resolved. We can search by ID. If I click on respond, the email app will be opened, and the sender's email ID will be automatically fetched from the database, and receiver's email ID will be automatically fetched. And here your email will be received for the user. We can also resolve the queries for you. After resolving the query, it will be vanished from the pending query section and will be displayed in resolved queries. And user will receive an email that the query has been resolved. That's it.
That's great. Thank you, Srivatsa and team. And regarding this final presentation, I will let you guys know, and I will send an email, or I will just update in your Google Classroom. Just check there. Okay. That's it for the day. Thanks for the updates. Have a good day.